Welcome back to Just Gilden. I thought it would be a good time to give a quick update regarding the channel, since the last video was posted a couple of months ago, just before I moved house. With the Electron wallet close to completion, I decided that doing any more guides on the current core wallets would need to be redone. So we'll continue with the guides after the Electron wallet is released. That being said, the current guides that are out are vital if you're starting with Gulden today, as backing up your wallets is vital to protecting your Gulden portfolio. So what comes next? The next video will be about the Gulden blockchain specifications, as there is a lot of questions around this topic and often asked by new users. I will also add some speculation and what I think is a good amount of coins to own if you're wanting a long-term position. After this, I would like to do a video on the latest Gulden Advisory Board meeting that took place on the 13th of January, which I feel is one of the most important ones to date on the future of Gulden, and I'll also give my thoughts on it. I have posted a link in the description which you can read through if you haven't already. All meeting minutes are done in English and Dutch. Looking forward to getting more content out there. So stay safe and take care until the next time.